If you're frustrated because Telegram search isn't working for you in 2024, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through a step-by-step process to get that search feature back in action, no matter if it's chats, channels, or messages you can't find. By the end, you'll know several proven fixes, from quick tricks to more advanced solutions, and a few important things to watch out for. So let's jump right in and get your Telegram running smoothly again. First things first, let's try some quick fixes. I know sometimes these sound simple, but they really do solve a surprising number of problems. Begin by fully quitting Telegram. On desktop, that means right-clicking the Telegram icon in the system tray and choosing Quit, not just closing the window. It's like giving the app a fresh start and can clear up any temporary glitches. Once you've closed Telegram, reopen it and try the search again. If it's still stuck, go ahead and restart your entire computer. Think of it as rebooting your whole workspace. It can resolve hidden processes or memory issues that may be interfering with Telegram. Take a breath and let your device power up afresh. Sometimes that's all it takes. Before moving on, double-check your internet connection. Search issues can sometimes be as simple as a spotty Wi-Fi or a hiccup in your airplane mode settings. Try toggling your Wi-Fi off and on just to make sure your connection is stable. If you're on a desktop, consider briefly unplugging your router or switching to a wired connection. Even a tiny dropout can disrupt how Telegram loads or syncs its search results, so let's rule that out. Next up, updating Telegram is essential. Outdated apps are more likely to experience bugs, especially after new security measures or feature rollouts. Look for updates in your system's app store or dive into Telegram's own settings. If there's an update available, install it right away. Sometimes developers patch these search glitches in their latest versions, so staying up to date gives you the best chance at a fix. If the problem is still hanging around, let's move on to some more advanced steps. Start by clearing Telegram's cache. In the app, go to Settings, then Advanced, and choose Clear Cache. Select all chats to make sure you're removing any stuck data across the board. It's a bit like spring cleaning, helping Telegram reload information fresh. If issues persist after clearing the cache, you might need to uninstall and then reinstall the Telegram app. This will clear deeper data and reset settings that could be interfering. It takes a few moments, but don't worry, your cloud messages are safe and will resync when you log back in. Occasionally, the issue isn't just with your device. To check whether the Telegram servers themselves are having problems, visit downdetector.com or a similar outage tracking site. If you see lots of reports, the problem could be out of your hands for the moment, and you may just need to wait it out. But if all looks clear, here's a clever trick. Try accessing Telegram web at webtelegram.org. If search works there, you'll know it's something with your desktop app specifically, and that narrows down what to fix next. Regional network restrictions can also disrupt Telegram's features. It's rare, but if a VPN is available to you, turn it on temporarily and see if search starts working. Sometimes certain countries or networks block parts of Telegram, and a VPN can get around those limits. Now, if even after all this the problem persists, it's time to contact Telegram support. Use their bug tracker at bugstelegram.org and report your issue in detail. It might take some time for a response, but you'll be helping not just yourself, but others who might have the same problem in the future. I do want to mention a special case, searching for sensitive content. If you find that you can't search for NSFW or filtered topics, the issue might be your content filter settings, especially if you use Telegram on both desktop and mobile. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Sensitive Content on your mobile device, and disable filtering. Then, after restarting Telegram on your computer, try your search again. Settings like these can sync across devices, so make sure you check on your phone even if the problem is on your PC. And that's it, your toolkit for fixing Telegram search issues this year. If you found these steps helpful, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have a question or want to share your experience, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and good luck getting your Telegram working perfectly again.